Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it is free. Please sit.
Do you mind if I sit here?
Not at all, go ahead.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
It is very crowded here today.
Yes, it is always busy on weekends.
By the way, my name is Bob.
Hi Bob, I am Alice.
It is nice to meet you, Alice.
Nice to meet you too.
That is a lovely name.
Thank you, yours is nice too.
So, where are you from, Alice?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from the United Kingdom.
Oh, which city in the UK?
I grew up in London.
I have never been to London.
It is a very big and busy city.
Maybe I will visit one day. Do you live in the city now?
Yes, I moved here last year.
Do you like living here?
I love it. The people are friendly.
Where exactly do you live?
I live downtown, near the park.
That is a great location.
Yes, it is very convenient for me. What do you do for a living?
I am a graphic designer.
That sounds very creative.
It is fun. What about you?
I work as a software engineer.
Do you work for a big company?
Yes, I work at a tech firm.
Do you enjoy your job?
I enjoy solving problems.
Is it stressful sometimes?
Sometimes, when we have deadlines.
I understand. Design is similar.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work remotely most days.
That must be very comfortable.
It gives me a lot of freedom.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and painting.
What kind of books do you read?
I mostly read science fiction.
I love sci-fi movies too.
Do you have any hobbies?
I play the guitar on weekends.
That is impressive. What kind of music do you play?
I usually play rock and blues.
I love listening to rock music.
Who is your favorite band?
I really like the Beatles.
They are absolute legends.
Do you ever sing too?
Only when I am alone in the car. Have you seen any good movies lately?
I saw a comedy last week.
Was it funny?
Yes, I laughed the whole time.
I prefer action movies usually.
Action movies are exciting too.
We should go to the cinema sometime.
That sounds like a nice plan. What is your favorite food?
I love Italian food, especially pasta.
Me too. Pizza is my favorite.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I cannot eat spicy things.
I put hot sauce on everything.
You are very brave.
It just tastes better to me. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I am definitely a coffee person.
How do you take your coffee?
Black with no sugar.
That is too bitter for me.
I like the strong taste.
I prefer a latte with milk.
Lattes are good too. Do you have a big family?
No, just my parents and one sister.
Is your sister older or younger?
She is 2 years younger than me.
I am an only child.
Do you wish you had siblings?
Sometimes it gets a bit lonely.
But you get all the presents. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
Cats are very independent.
She is very cute and fluffy.
I have a dog, a golden retriever.
Oh, I love dogs too.
He has so much energy.
We should introduce them one day. Do you like to travel?
Yes, traveling is my passion.
Where's the best place you visited?
I really loved visiting Japan.
Japan is on my bucket list.
The food and culture are amazing.
I want to see the cherry blossoms.
You definitely should go in spring. What are you doing this weekend?
I am going hiking with friends.
That sounds like good exercise.
We love being in nature.
I will probably just relax at home.
Sometimes rest is necessary.
Maybe I will watch a series.
Enjoy your lazy weekend. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a little bit of Spanish.
That is great. Why did you choose Spanish?
I visit Spain often for my holidays.
I am currently trying to learn French.
French is such a beautiful and romantic language.
It is, but it is very hard to pronounce.
The accent can be tricky to master.
Yes, the R sound is impossible for me.
Don't worry, practice makes perfect.
I try to use a language app every day.
Apps are very useful for vocabulary.
I also watch French movies with subtitles.
That is the best way to train your ears.
I hope to visit Paris next summer.
That is a great goal. Do not give up. Do you play any sports?
I play tennis in the summer.
I am not very good at sports.
It is just for fun.
I prefer watching football on TV.
Do you have a favorite team?
Yes, I support my local team.
Matches are exciting to watch. What is your favorite season?
I love autumn the most.
Why do you like autumn?
I like the cool weather and colorful leaves.
I prefer summer for the beach.
Summer is too hot for me.
I love swimming in the sea.
Winter is nice for skiing though. Are you addicted to your phone?
A little bit, I check it often.
Social media is very distracting.
I try to limit my screen time.
I prefer reading real books.
Digital books are practical too.
Nothing beats the smell of paper.
That is a nostalgic feeling. Look at the time, it is getting late.
Time flies when you are having fun.
I really enjoyed talking to you.
I enjoyed it too, Alice.
We should do this again.
I would love that very much.
Here is my phone number.
Great, I will save it now. Let me walk you to the station.
That is very kind of you.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
The pleasure was all mine.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you, Bob. See you soon.
See you soon, take care.
Bye-bye.